Welcome back. It's time now for the Financial Week. Farmers who plant ginger, turmeric or pimento can now access funding from selected financiers following the signing of an agreement with the U.S. Department of Agriculture's Jamaica Spices project. It's part of a multi-million-dollar effort to revive the spices sector. Details in this report.
Spice farmers can now access loans from one of three financial institutions. The firms First Global Bank, Lasco Microfinance, and Carbine Capital Investments signed an MOU with the U.S. Department of Agriculture Food for Progress Jamaica Spices project Thursday.
Give a clap, yeah? This is symbolic.
Chief of Party for the project, Dr. Ronald Blake, says there is a global spice demand for use in food, seasonings, cosmetics, pharmaceuticals, and nutraceuticals, and Jamaica has the best spices. However, crop yield remains significantly low, partly because of lack of access to funding for farmers.
When I hear Rutgers Innovation Center come and say that Jamaica is the spices capital of the world, and Jamaican spices is the best. If you can get that to go to any market in the world, then I can say to you, you can encourage every single bank in Jamaica to put every capital available to be invested in producing ginger, turmeric, and pimento.
Aside from production, Mr. Blake revealed that disease also affects the quality of the crops. But after a year of research, they've made a breakthrough.
For once, we can say, Wayne, that we now have a pipeline for clean planting material for ginger. And we can also, Clifton, certify that we are planting clean turmeric planting material because we have done the tests. And we are also growing out pimento. And while we don't have a disease problem, but the protocols that are being implemented is to ensure that we get better vigor and we understand what is it that we are planting and what is it that we are giving farmers to grow.
The project aims to boost Jamaica's spice production by 50%. The result, an estimated $20 million in sales and $14.5 million in annual export sale. The impact, over 7,500 farmers. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green.
As much as we can do the research work to bring our clean planting material, as much as we can ensure that JACRA and RAD and the ministry has the technical competency to lead a sustainable sector, as much as we can identify and peer the markets, if there's no access to financing, then all our work will frankly be in vain.
According to the minister, the United States imported about $230 million worth of ginger, turmeric, and pimento in 2023. Disappointed, he said, Jamaica contributed to just over 10% of it. In 2023, however, Jamaica exported 306,000 tons of spices, amounting to $740 million. The Jamaica Agricultural Commodities Regulatory Authority says with the funding, it's hoped that exports will significantly increase.
To our farmers here today and those who are hearing, this is your moment, your opportunity, your occasion.
Amoy Harriet, TVJ News.
In currency trading, the Jamaican dollar made significant gains today. At the close of trading, one American dollar was being sold for an average $157.96. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $113.78. $201.14 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is going for $164.17. The JC index declined by 804 points, while the junior market index declined by 14 points. Among the 41 winners were Key Insurance, Sagicor Select Funds Financial, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, JMMB 7.25% variable preference shares, and JMMB 7.15% variable preference shares. The 43 losers included CAC 2000, Radio Jamaica, Epley 7.75% variable preference shares, MFS Capital Partners, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. 20 stocks traded firm. And that's the Financial Week.